everyone. Today we're going to be making a soap, and it's a dupe of one of my favorite perfumes. It's Pink Sugar, and we've made some little hearts, glittered hearts to go on the top. I've already taken and I've added my lye solution to my oils. So we're going to start off by separating it into a couple containers. I'm going to use just a neon pink and a white. So separate these and try to get them as even as we can. Okay. This fragrance has a lot of different scents in it. It has cotton candy, lemon drop, raspberry, sweet caramel, lily of the valley, and musk. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our pink in. It is a bright pink. Okay, and then we're going to add some titanium dioxide to this one. Okay, we're going to add the fragrance oil. Hopefully it'll be okay. Add it to our pink and see how it does. Smells good. Okay, I'm going to start by pouring at one end and just alternating my colors while the batter is still fluid. Okay. I'm going to let it set up for just a little bit, and then I'm going to take and we'll add our hearts to the top. Take it, just give it a little swirl. I'm going to go ahead and put white down the middle, but it'll give us a little bit of design. side. Our soap is thickening up a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and just put the hearts on the top. I wasn't exactly sure how I wanted them to go, so I think I'll try them. Looks kind of like a Valentine's Day soap, maybe. You can see. Couple on the side, slanted. That one's sinking down. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see. We're going to go ahead and let this set up, and then we'll be back to cut it. Our pink sugar soap is all set up, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it. This fragrance has a lot of vanillin in it. I don't know if you can see, I got a couple little dark spots. A little dark in the kitchen, so I've got it in between the hearts. It's up on the top. You can see the little bit of brown there. Okay, we're gonna go ahead, clean these up, and then I'm gonna let them cure for 4 to 6 weeks. Thanks for watching.